You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from Chinese. Xian Yun. Chinese pronunciation. If you want to learn more names from Genshin Impact, skip until the end of the video. We've got more for you coming up here. Xian Yun. Let's learn how to pronounce this name from Chinese. Xian Yun. Chinese pronunciation. If you want to learn more names from Genshin Impact, skip until the end of the video. We've got more for you coming up here. Xian Yun. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.